Teaching tip number 4 for new Pilates teachers. When you teach your class out loud, you also have the option of teaching it to camera. I would suggest that you teach the class to somebody that you know, or even out loud to yourself lying on the mat, so that you can teach the whole class. See whether your timing is correct. See whether you need to add some extra exercises in or take some exercises out. If you practice to camera, then you've got something to refer back to, and you can go and evaluate what your teaching was like. It's a really key component to you practicing and making your class accessible to your class participants.